Hey everyone! Today we're putting Claude Opus 5 to the test by creating 3 full games, Tower Blocks, Paper.io, and Slither.io. Let's dive in. First off, I hit up Comet to generate a prompt for me. Then I passed it over to Claude Opus 5, waited like 30 minutes, and boom, this is the result. It looks awesome, but unfortunately, it's pretty bugged. Once you hit a game over, you can't continue, and restarting just doesn't work at all. Told Claude about the bugs, and look at the result. Now when you die, the game actually ends properly, and you can just hit restart. Alright, let's test this out. They move a bit slow at first, but I bet it speeds up as you go. Yo, this is actually super cool. As the levels get smaller, they auto-adjust. Looks honestly fire. Plus, as we stack more floors, the background literally changes to whole new locations. Like, we get a park, then a riverfront with a bridge and a boat. It looks awesome. Let's throw in a couple quick fixes and run it back. So I enabled an Autobot to play the game for us, and look at this. As we build higher, we literally get a whole mini-city, a factory, mountains that look just like that ring toss game, clouds, a plane, a satellite, and even the moon. It actually looks pretty neat, but the camera zooms out way too far. Plus, we gotta fix the mountains, and those cars driving straight through the water, the mountains, and the park. After all the fixes, the game looks honestly almost perfect. He got rid of the park because it was blocking the cars, made a way better bridge for them to drive on, and properly lined up the water, the city, and the mountains. Now the cars actually drive back and forth on a set path. Plus, he added a background, planet Earth, and an animated moon. So yeah, I think we're officially done with this game. Let's jump into Paper.io. For the next game, we're doing the exact same thing. We ask Comet for a prompt, copy it, and paste it straight into Claude. And here's the game we got. It's got this cool neon vibe, arrow key controls, and the UI shows a map, a leaderboard, the timer, and a pause button. The bots are actually pretty smart. They legit know what they're doing, and honestly, they even end up killing me. Next, I decided to test out another service that has free Claude Opus 5. If you guys are interested, I might drop a video on it soon. And here's what we ended up with. This game turned out pretty decent too. For some reason it's in Ukrainian, but right off the bat, the main menu lets you change your name and pick a difficulty. The UI still has the map and leaderboard, but now we also get toggle buttons for sound, glow, and pause. The glow effect was a bit much, so I just turned it off. Overall, the game looks super clean and smooth. Controls are on the arrow keys as well, and the bots actually know what they're doing. So yeah, Claude nailed it twice in a row. Moving on to Slither.io. Once again, we grab a prompt from Comet and feed it straight into Claude. And here's what we got. In the UI, you can actually choose between Battle Royale and Standard mode. Pick your lobby size, choose a character color, though some are locked, plus tweaking graphic settings and typing in your nickname. Loading into the game, that glow is definitely way too bright again. Gotta turn that down. But our main character actually looks pretty clean. UI-wise, we've got a radar, leaderboard, and the zone countdown. I dropped the graphics to medium, but the glow is still blinding, so I dialed it all the way down to low. Sure, the game looks a bit less pretty now, but at least I can actually see what's going on. The character still looks solid, and the bots definitely know what they're doing. The zone shrinks just like it's supposed to. Now let's test out the Standard mode. In Standard mode, the map boundary is still limited, but it doesn't shrink. You get different power-ups, a speed boost on left click, and even though your worm grows kinda slow, it's still super fun. I honestly loved the game. Literally got hooked for 20 minutes straight. So yeah, Claude aced all 3 games, and they turned out really awesome. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Drop a like, and I'll see you next time.